Hello, my name is Shibiki, and today I'll be using a volumetric flask. So first, before anything, we're going to be making sure that our flask is clean and it drains properly. So this flask is 100 milliliters, meaning that it has 3 significant digits. And the beaker that we are going to be using today is 50 milliliters with 2 significant figures. However, since this has a gradient on it, we are going to be reading until the next decimal point. So that would be about, for example, 20.5 or 20.6, that would be 3 significant figures. So to clean the volumetric flask, we're going to be using DI water and giving it a thorough rinse. Mixing it and pouring it out. So as you can see, this beaker drains properly, especially above the calibration mark. This would be important because droplets in the volumetric flask could add to the calibration and provide inaccuracy of data. So I'll be cleaning it again just to be sure. And as you can see, it is clean. So next, I'll be pouring in the 20 milliliters of colored water. And I'll be using a funnel, but since we do not want any air bubbles that's prohibiting the liquid to go in, we'll be lifting the funnel a little bit as we pour in the liquid. We have successfully poured in the 20 milliliters of colored liquid, and next we're going to be pouring the rest with normal water. And here we want to be careful to not fill too much, especially since the neck of the volumetric flask gets thinner and thinner.
And this means that it's clean and it doesn't have any water residue on the sides of the tube.
So now that we have most of it filled, not quite to the calibration line, but because we need to be very accurate, we are going to be using this pipette. And we're going to be using this pipette to fill in the rest of the way.
So now we know that it drains properly.
So we need to making sure that the meniscus is, the lower part of the meniscus hits the calibration mark.
This is a seating balloon on the market, and I'm going to do the digital batch for the volumetric flask. So the flask.
So I have successfully filled in the flask to the calibration line, and to give a further look, the meniscus is at the calibration mark. So next, to mix in the solution thoroughly, we are going to be using this paraffin and providing a seal.
So since there's little to no water on the sides of the tube, we can say that it drains properly. And now I'm going to show how to quantity for around 20 milliliters of water into the flask. And to do that, we're going to use a funnel.
So this is the paraffin. So now that it is sealed, we're going to be mixing the solution. So we're going to be covering it with a paper towel and giving it a thorough mix. This is especially important if you have a solid in your solution. Now this is complete, and you can see that there are no extra air bubbles and that it is filled our calibration mark correctly.